University of Oxford has given the go-ahead for UK trials of the COVID vaccine, the Oxford vaccine as it is popularly known as, to continue after the UK government in fact gave a go-ahead. It was the Medicines Health Regulatory Authority which gave a green signal for the Oxford vaccine trials to resume in the United Kingdom. Now on September 6th, remember the trials had been temporarily halted after one of the volunteers who was participating in the trials had an unexplained illness. After that, we saw that AstraZeneca, the drug firm from UK, which was part of this process, part of the vaccine trials, in fact said that they have decided to put the vaccine trials on hold. But now that the UK government has given a go-ahead, the vaccine trials will resume shortly. But what does this mean for India partner Serum Institute, which was also conducting the similar trials in India? In fact, right after AstraZeneca decided to take that call, we saw Serum Institute also putting the trial on hold. In fact, we have a reaction from Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute of India, who said that we shouldn't jump to conclusions until trials are completed. Recent events tell us why we shouldn't bias the process and should respect the process till end. So Serum Institute is still waiting for a go-ahead from the Indian government, from the DCGI, Drugs Controller General of India, to know whether or not they can resume the Oxford vaccine trials in the country. But nonetheless, in UK, the vaccine trials are set to resume.